Hey guys, so you see, when we upload the files with same names, Google Drive gives us the option to keep them separate. But something happens, and I was unable to click on it, and accidentally my first file got edited. And it was a very important file, so I needed to retrieve it back, but I couldn't get any guidance online. So, after a lot of hits and trials, I was able to find a way to get my file back. I'm going to show this to you now. So here, do you see the eye icon? The moment I click on it, it is going to show me the details and the activity that have happened today on the Google Drive. So the moment I have clicked, it shows me about the file being uploaded. So when I go to details, wait a second. Okay, I click on the details and it's not showing me what just happened. Okay. Yeah. So in the details, it is showing me the file that got edited, and it is showing me a timer here. This timer is actually, it has all the versions like an archive. So I'm going to click on it and see. Here are all my versions safely waiting for me to retrieve. So these versions will be there for 30 days. Anyways, I'm going to download it today itself. So here you can download both the versions. I have downloaded them, and now all I have to do is upload them again with the different names, and I'm sorted. So guys, I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and in case if you also got your file accidentally rewritten, now you have a way to recover them. Thank you so much for watching.